Hey, welcome back to Freedom Income. So this is just going to be a quick tutorial video showing you how to access or how to use the paid alert section of the group, okay? Everything's actually explained here, rules and pricing, okay? But for those of you who may not read all this, right, this is a video just to explain to you in video form how you would access it and explaining all this, okay? So first of all, there's a free alert section, there's chat rooms, there's lessons and courses and stuff as well, and there's real estate knowledge as well, right? Real estate here and mindset, if you wanted to speak about real estate. This paid alert, just to explain to you, well, first of all, just to show you, so far is actually doing really well. DocuSign was a winner. MU were winning at the moment, although it hasn't expired. And then the most recent one's GSK. Stocks, there was stocks is literally one which was sold for break even. There's one that hasn't moved much yet, which is GBDC, but the rest have pumped. And AAL was a huge winner, a huge pump, because I alerted it when I was about 1360, 1370, and it pumped actually all the way to 1760. So that's been doing really well. Even the sports betting's actually been doing like a lot better than I expected. It's actually been doing really, really well as well. Last week every bet was a winner. The week before that was an overall winner because of a huge Trixie bet which gave us 400% plus ROI, and the week before that was a winner as well. Just to explain, so far. January is actually the first month that I've tested this paid alerts, right? Or I've started this paid alerts, and it's been doing really, really well, exceptionally well, actually, in my opinion. And results cannot lie, right? People lie, emotions lie, but if you check this, reality and results do not lie, cannot lie. Statistics, numbers do not lie. Okay, so just to explain. So the paid alert section, okay, so for January, because it was the first month, it's actually a public group, so anybody who's in the group can see it. Starting in February, as soon as February hits, this is going to be a private group, so you're not going to be able to see it unless if you message me, either privately or through the group, to say you want to be a part of it. If you want to be a part of it, January's already been a free month, so if you want to be a part of it, it's only £25 per month subscription fee. That's it, £25 a month, ideally paid through PayPal, via email address through PayPal. Only £25 a month, but you get all the alerts, options alerts, stock alerts, and sports betting alerts. And honestly speaking, I am confident with all the alerts together, especially if you can do options, trade selling, if you can sell put options at the first place, you're going to be making at least a few £100s every month, if not thousands of pounds every month, depending on your startup capital. Okay, for £25 investment per month, to make hundreds of thousands, I think, in my opinion, is a no-brainer, is worth it. And also, here's the other thing. If you're new to the group, you just joined, let me know if you want to go into the paid alert section, right? If you're new to the group, the first month for paid alerts, ongoing forever from now on, is completely free, zero cost to any newcomers to the group, okay? And you just have to contact me and I'll add you to the private group, the paid alert group, and you can just follow along in a demo account. You don't even have to trade real, or if you want to trade real, if you trust it right away, go for it, but you don't have to. You just trade demo account, come to the group, follow it, and see the results for yourself for the first month. Okay, and I'm confident you'll be happy with it. And if you're making hundreds of thousands with a £25 investment every month, you're probably going to stay, right? And that is the goal. And I'm confident, which is why I'm giving everybody first month free. And here's another thing, some of the rules to follow, okay? With the options alert, this is selling put options. You need ideally $5,000 minimum in order to trade put options. Ideally, 10K or more if you can, okay, dollar-wise, okay? And you need a margin account. That's just what's needed to trade options. It's not risk, it's not loss, it's just collateral. You need that in order to open the trades because of how put selling works. And this is actually the safest trading strategy, that trading alert section. So I would actually recommend investing or trading options alerts with bigger numbers or bigger account, and trust it more. Because the risk is low and reward potential is very high. Typically, literally, like, I haven't actually lost a single trade in the last 3 to 4, in fact, nearly 4 months now with this options alert. And typically I give about 1 on average every week options alerts, okay? So that's the options. Stock alerts, I would say that's medium risk, right? So options alerts is low risk with high reward. Well, low risk with medium reward, right? But very consistent reward. Okay, stock alerts is medium risk with medium reward, but sometimes it could be big reward if it pumps like AAL style. Okay, and that can happen. And if I'm being honest, with the stock alerts, try to invest with a medium account or medium size positions. Okay, because of the medium risk involved. But the way I do my research on the stocks, I find which industry is performing really well in the most recent month, and I find the top performing companies in that industry, and I typically alert it up on a recovery of the stock after a drop and it's a correction or crash and is on the way back up, and we get in at sort of early stage during that time. They tend to do pump, which most of it has, so it's still a really, really good alert. And you don't really need a lot of money to start options. I would say ideally $2,000, right? $2,000 plus in order to start the options, just so that you can have a margin account and trade the margin. So $2K plus in order to get into the stock alerts, right? And then there's the sports betting alert. If I'm being honest, with sports betting, there is an element of luck involved regardless, right? Even a really, really good team with a really bad team, the really, really good team might occasionally draw the game, might not win it. So that, based on that, there is an element of luck. But I only alert games which we have the odd advantage. So the bookies are giving a higher odd than they should, and the probability of us winning that trade is quite high, and I only give those alerts. But because of the nature of sports betting, I would recommend investing or trading with a low account, so smaller positions, because of the risk involved. Okay. However, I also give free bet alerts. When you join a new bookie, they usually give you a free bet, right? I give up some of that as well, quite regularly. And if you've never done matched betting, literally the first couple of £1,000 is so easy to make with guaranteed 100% profit. So I give that as well, so you can join that. Literally within, if you've never tried match betting, you come here and you follow some of this stuff, you're going to make literally your first £2,000 within the first month or two so easily, which essentially pays for 5 to 10 years of alerts in my group. Yeah, if you've never tried match betting, you come and do it. And you really do it at the beginning and just use up all the free bets from all the bookies. You have literally secured yourself 5 to 10 years worth of paid alerts fees, because it's £25 a month, but you can make about 2K, I would say, easily with match betting at the beginning. Okay, it might not be ongoing. You can make a couple of £100 a month as well, actually, but it's a bit more work. So that's that. I just wanted to explain that. Okay, and if you wanted to chat about anything about the alerts, you come here and you chat about it here. Okay, so that's typically the rules. So free for everyone for the first month. Starting in February, this is going to be going to a private section, so you're going to have to contact me, and then I can place you into it. If you're completely new to the Freedom Income Discord group, I'll place you into it for free for the first month. If you're already an existing member, you would have followed this for January, you would go in at £25 a month, and it's £25 a month every month. And I just thought I'd do a video to explain that to you guys clearly. If you have any questions regarding these alerts, read this, watch this video. It should answer most of it. If you still have outstanding questions, come over and contact me via Discord, and I'm happy to help. Thank you guys. Happy trading.